Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury off-roading with a closer look at the stunning WALD International body kit for the new Toyota Land Cruiser 250. WALD, a name synonymous with bespoke automotive styling, has once again transformed an already capable vehicle into an absolute head-turner, exuding an aggressive yet sophisticated presence. Starting with the exterior, Wald's interpretation of the Land Cruiser 250 is nothing short of breathtaking. The front end receives a complete overhaul with a new, bolder grille design that seamlessly integrates with the redesigned front bumper. This bumper isn't just for aesthetics. It features prominent skid plates and integrated LED daytime running lights, hinting at its enhanced off-road prowess. Flared wheel arches, a signature of Wald's Black Bison edition, give the SUV a wider, more imposing stance, perfectly accommodating larger, more aggressive off-road tires and custom Wald alloy wheels. Around the back, a revised rear bumper incorporates a sportier diffuser and quad exhaust tips, adding a touch of performance-oriented flair. The roof spoiler further accentuates its dynamic profile. Every element works in harmony to create a vehicle that looks ready to conquer both city streets and rugged trails with equal elegance. While WALD primarily focuses on exterior enhancements, their philosophy extends to creating a cohesive, premium experience. For the interior, while specific WALD-branded changes aren't always extensive, their kits often complement an upgraded cabin. Think custom leather upholstery options, unique stitching patterns, and carbon fiber or wood trim accents that elevate the luxurious feel. The goal is to ensure the interior reflects the sophisticated aggression of the exterior, creating an immersive experience for both driver and passengers. Regarding performance, the WALD Land Cruiser 250 body kit itself is a visual upgrade and doesn't directly alter the engine's output. However, the larger wheels and tires, often part of the complete package, can subtly influence handling and off-road capability. Many owners who opt for a WALD kit also invest in aftermarket suspension upgrades to further enhance ride quality and off-road performance, creating a truly bespoke and high-performing machine. As for the price, the WALD Land Cruiser 250 body kit is a premium offering, and pricing will vary depending on the specific components chosen and regional taxes or import duties. Typically, you can expect the full body kit, including wheels and tires, to be a significant investment, often ranging from several thousand to tens of thousands of dollars, excluding the base vehicle's cost. This positions it as a desirable modification for those seeking to transform their Land Cruiser 250 into an exclusive and distinctive statement.